In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a Google Sites website. Now, Google Sites doesn't offer a traditional password box the way some website builders do. Instead, the way you password protect a site is by making it private and only allowing specific people to open it using their Google accounts. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in with the Google account that owns or can edit the site you want to protect. Once Google Sites loads, you'll see a list of your existing sites, along with the option to create a new one. Next, click on the site you want to secure. This will open the site editor, where you normally add pages, text, and images. We're not changing the content of the site here. We're just going to update who can view it. Look towards the top right corner of the editor for the share icon. It usually looks like a person with a plus sign or a share arrow. Click that icon to open the sharing settings. This is where you control who can view and edit your site. In the sharing panel, find the section that refers to the published site. You'll see a drop-down that might currently say something like anyone with the link or similar. Click that drop-down. This is effectively the public access setting, and right now it's what allows anyone to view your site without restrictions. From the drop-down options, choose to remove public access. You'll see an option like remove link or similar wording. Click on that. Once you do this, your site will no longer be accessible to the general public. People will need explicit permission to view it. Now, to give access only to the people you choose, look for the field that says something like add people, groups, and calendar events. Click into that box and start typing the email addresses or names of the people you want to allow in. Make sure these are the Google accounts they actually use, because they'll need to be signed into those accounts to open the site. After you've added everyone who should have access, review the list to confirm it looks correct. When you're happy, click Done to save your changes. Your Google site is now private and effectively protected, since only the people you specified can open it.